Yeah.
Okay.
Stop.
Okay, so we are gonna talk about the ankles and how we can, through training our ankles and our ankle reflexes, can actually be faster on the court, and I'm gonna explain why. So the mechanism behind the ankle reflexes is we get a sensation from the feet, and the feet will then send a signal up through the nervous system, up through the lower parts of our spine, and then it's gonna return a signal down to the ankles. And then the ankles will automatically adjust its position depending on which movement we are making. This means that these ankles are adjusting its positions all the time, and it happens automatically, okay? So if we train our ankle reflexes, our ability to always adjust ourselves and adjust our position faster will increase, and therefore we will be faster on the court. Okay, so David, he is standing on a balance board, and this is an amazing tool to train our ankle reflexes. And if you don't have this at home, then well, you can also move around out in an uneven surface, out in the woods, out in the nature. This is also strengthening and increasing our ankle reflexes. But if you have this at home, use it, okay? David is standing on this balance board, and the first simple exercise, he's standing with both his feet on it, and he just tried to keep his balance. We want to have a certain point. It could be in front of us, and we focus on this point. Try to only use your ankles to stabilize yourself, okay? Let's do another exercise. David, he stands on the board, so he tries to go all the way in front, touch the floor like so, and then he tries slowly and controlled to go back, just not reaching the floor, and then go back again. Good. And as you can see, it already starts to get a little bit more challenging, and that's really good. And we can take the opposite. So you stand with all your weight on the heels. So the back end of the board touches the ground. You go forward without touching the ground, and then go back again. Yeah, really good. Okay. Good. So let's try to do it from one side. So all the weight on one side of the board, tilt as much as you can without touching the ground on the other side, and go back again. And we try to always do it slowly and controlled. So we don't use the weight to go to the one side, but we use the ankles to go to both sides. Like that. Now try to stand on one foot and try to keep the balance. In this exercise, we can only use one foot to stabilize ourselves on the board. When we have one foot on the board, we cannot use the other foot to counterbalance. If we have maybe some imbalance on one side, we can counterbalance with the other foot. And this also, oh shit, oh fuck.
fast.